Each player in the hydrogen fuel cell value chain has a different role. System integrators want to minimize manufacturing and installation costs. Vehicle manufacturers need fuel cell systems that can meet fluctuating fuel demand and pressure needs while maintaining accuracy and ensuring system safety, regardless of the distance driven. And fleet operators are looking to minimize fuel usage to keep costs low. Emerson's TESCOM HV-3500 series hydrogen onboard regulator addresses each of these and more as an all-in-one solution. The HV-3500 is pressure-controlled and specially designed for use on board industrial and commercial light and heavy-duty hydrogen fuel cell vehicles, such as buses and trucks. The TESCOM HV-3500 pressure-reducing regulator's dual-stage, tied valve, and active seal design provides consistent pressure and continuous hydrogen fuel supply for the full range of operating conditions. Our EC79-compliant regulator, with its corrosion-resistant, nickel-plated aluminum body and superior shutoff performance, provides reliability and minimizes maintenance, allowing bus and truck manufacturers to keep vehicles on the road for longer distances, all while enjoying improved fuel cell efficiency through stabilized pressure control. Specifically designed to reduce assembly time and costs, the TESCOM HV-3500 is lightweight and easily installed, providing a clear improvement on other pressure regulation technologies. The regulator is designed for a wide variety of system pressure configurations and features a unique design with convenient mounting holes, supporting quick, effortless system integrations. As with all TESCOM solutions, the HV-3500 comes with Emerson's local manufacturing and support, allowing customers to get vehicles on the road quickly and operating reliably throughout their life cycle. Emerson's TESCOM HV-3500 can pay major dividends across your organization. Emerson is your trusted partner, delivering the products and expertise to get your hydrogen-fueled fleet up to speed.